Natural home remedies for removing blackheads. Blackheads are dark formations on the skin when natural oils and impurities clog the pores of the skin. When the clogged pores are exposed to air, it turns black, hence forming blackheads. Blackheads makes its presence felt not only on your face, but also on the back, chest and other parts of the body that are rich in sebaceous glands. Blackheads are very common, yet many of us do not know how to deal with them. Tampering and brute forcing of blackheads should be avoided. They are best controlled or even prevented by regular care of the skin. Clean your skin religiously. Going to a qualified beautician for blackheads could prove to be a costly affair. Here are some home remedies to remove blackheads. Before you get started, it will be a good idea to check if you have any allergies or if you are sensitive to any of these ingredients. Despite hordes of new beauty products for removing blackheads, these home remedies could work wonders. Home remedies for removal of blackheads. Apply a paste made of ground radish seeds and water on affected areas. The effect is magical. Mix glycerin soap, Fuller's Earth and almond powder in 2:1:4 ratio with boiled water to make a paste. Apply this paste on the blackheads. Apply paste of fresh fenugreek leaves mixed with water on the face every night and wash off with warm water in the morning to prevent blackheads. Apply paste of roasted and powdered pomegranate skin with fresh lime juice over blackheads. Wet cotton and warm water mixed with Epsom salt and iodine. Dab them on blackheads to loosen them. Use green tea as a face scrub to loose blackheads. Mash drumstick pods and leaves. Mix it with fresh lime juice and apply on the trouble spots. Combine. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more healthy tips, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. The unknown world's greatest supplement, Moringa leaf powder. There is no doubt that the pure Moringa tree leaf is the source of incredible health benefits. It's the ultimate, natural, organic, energy and endurance health supplement. There are plenty of studies that describe these benefits, and the pure, powdered, Moringa leaf is the most potent part of the plant. Moringa leaves contain 7 times the vitamin C in oranges, 4 times the calcium in milk, 4 times the vitamin A in carrots, 2 times the protein in milk, 3 times the potassium in bananas. Moringa tree leaf is organic and absolutely safe. There are no known side effects. It's gentle enough to be given to babies. It's one of the most secret performance-enhancing products taken by athletes today who ingest megadoses that help them physically and mentally alert. Although there have been references to the Moringa tree that go back a couple thousand years, and the World Health Organization has been studying and using the plant for the last 40 years as a low-cost health enhancer in the poorest countries around the world, there is a reason why the Moringa leaf is still relatively unknown. The sale of all forms of vitamins, minerals, and health supplements is a big business. If you were a company selling hundreds of nutritional products, why would you sell one product that could potentially wipe out all your other products? This would be true for the pharmaceutical. Soothing Moringa helps lower blood pressure and is a sleep aid. Its detoxifying effect may come from Moringa's ability to purify water. Here are some of the uses around the world for the fantastic Moringa leaf. Detoxification. Studies have shown Moringa's ability to remove hazardous materials from water. Antibiotic. Moringa is used as a topical treatment for minor infections. Skin treatment. Moringa has great healing benefits for the skin, curing cuts, scrapes, sores, and rashes as well as cracking and other signs of aging. Diabetes. An extract from the Moringa leaf has been shown to be effective in lowering blood sugar levels within 3 hours of ingestion, though less effectively than the standard hypoglycemic drug, glibenclamide. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more healthy tips, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.
What can pure honey do to you? If you feel exhausted and want something fresh to release all your fatigue, why don't you take a teaspoonful of honey and add to your tea, then drink it. You are going to feel better then. It's not difficult to find honey as it is easy to get and available everywhere in the market. In fact, honey has been a part of the commodity in the ancient century. They used honey for different purposes such as for health treatment, food and beverage, and other useful matters. Honey makes a good alternative to sugar in food and beverages. Honey is a source of nutrition. It also contains antioxidants that can fight free radical from human body. Free radicals are molecules that attack human healthy cells. Current research on honey has shown it's beneficial as an antimicrobial agent that can treat different kinds of ailments. The most common use of honey as an antimicrobial agent is to treat wounds, burns and skin ulcers. Honey can also help seasonal pollen allergies. Consuming a teaspoonful of honey a day for a few months can boost your immune before the allergy season, mostly during autumn, comes. Thanks to the bees, people can taste the sweetness of honey and take the benefits out of it to improve humans' health. Probably bees are the most helpful insect to human as they produce not only honey, but also something related to honey. Let's see what they are. Royal jelly. This is the most nutritious food for the queen bees throughout her life. It's rich in vitamins, minerals, proteins, amino acid and antibiotic. It can enhance immunity, prevent arthritis and multiple sclerosis, treat asthma, slow down the signs of aging, stimulate hair growth etc. Beeswax. It's a product from the abdomen of the worker bees. The beeswax is useful to make lipstick, capsule, balm, body lotion, candles or as a wood polish or floor polish. Bee pollen. It's the male seed of a flower blossom that is gathered by the bees. Bee pollen can stimulate organs and glands, rejuvenates human body, and brings about a longer lifespan. As you can see, all the products made by the bees are beneficial for our health. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more healthy tips, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.
Natural hair care products for beginners. The effectiveness of modern, natural hair care products is known to all, because they are very effective in reducing hair loss and enhancing hair beauty. They are also perceived as being free from side effects and may deliver additional health benefits. Balanced diets rich in vitamins and minerals are a must for hair health. Natural hair care products have become popular for both external and internal use. Besides, they have less chance of causing overtreatment and they rarely overdry or overcondition your hair. Not all natural hair care products are natural. Products available in salons and over store counters are never 100% natural, because, for better results and preservation issues, they need to contain a certain amount of synthetic ingredients. The synthetic products can also provide better foaming, cleaning and emulsifying than 100% natural products. However, you can prepare homemade hair care products that are absolutely natural. Natural hair care products. Nettle root extract. It is rich in vitamins A and C. It is used as an inhibitor of 5-alpha reductase. Saw palmetto extract. It is an effective anti-androgen and fights benign prostatic disease by lowering levels of DHT. That's why it is good for the people in androgenetic alopecia. Rosemary and sage. These are very good natural hair enhancers. Boil together in water rosemary, sage, peach leaf, nettle and burdock and use in the hair. This will strengthen your hair. Jojoba oil. It keeps your scalp healthy and free from skin diseases. It controls dandruff. Jojoba oil is also a great moisturizer for your hair. Aloe vera. It balances the pH level of scalp and heals by cleaning the pores. Shampoo made up of aloe vera gel with a small amount of wheat germ oil and coconut milk is a great hair enhancer. Henna. Henna is a popular natural hair conditioner and hair coloring product. It is excellent for the maintenance of healthy hair. It protects hair against breakage and restores hair shine. Psyllium husk. Psyllium husk works as a laxative agent. It safely moves waste through the colon and makes your digestive system clean healthy, which is necessary for better hair health. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. And for more healthy recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.
In this video, I'm going to show you the essential uses of garlic as home remedies. The increasing health benefits of garlic can help us clear all the major illnesses in our life. Ample amount of vitamin B6, vitamin C and selenium is present in garlic. A good source of manganese is available to boost your health. Studies have shown that daily dose of garlic in small amounts reduces blood pressure, serum triglycerides, platelet aggregation and LDL cholesterol. On the other hand, it increases the level of serum HDL cholesterol and fibrinolysis to stimulate the production of nitric oxide which relaxes you. The organ sulfur compound obtained in garlic is known as ione and is used to treat skin cancer. It prevents heart disease and any risk of stroke. It is able to cut down the number of free radicals present in the bloodstream. Home remedies with garlic. 1. Garlic has been widely used to cure acne. By rubbing garlic cloves on the affected area can get rid of acne. It purifies your blood, which cleanses it to keep acne away. 2. To get rid of warts, apply garlic juice on the wart, 2 times daily for about a week. 3. Garlic is termed as an aphrodisiac. By consumption of 2 or 3 raw garlic cloves in a day could help you overcome the sexual impotency problem. 4. Garlic juice poured in your punctured ear can alleviate your pain. 5. It is also very useful for arthritis patient. It boosts the immune system and reduces the pain. 6. By chewing garlic can get you rid of cold. The antiviral agents help to fight off cold in matter of days. 7. Rubbing garlic clove on a cut can clear off any chances of infection. 8. Having garlic a day would help you to clear your allergies. 9. Having 2 or 3 cloves of garlic every morning can help you overcome back problems. 10. To beat cough problems, use 10 to 15 garlic cloves. Chop them properly. Cover it with honey and keep it overnight. Have it first thing in the morning. It would help you cure your cough problems. Warning: consult your doctor. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.
In this video I'm going to show you how antiperspirants can cause breast cancer. Most underarm antiperspirants contain as the active ingredient, aluminium chlorohydrate. As you will probably remember, there has been controversy about aluminium since the 1950s, when it was a popular metal used for making cooking pots, saucepans and fry pans, and that it could be one of the contributing factors to Alzheimer's. Now we have another problem that could also be related to aluminium: breast cancer. Research shows that one of the leading causes of breast cancer could be the use of antiperspirants. The human body has a number of areas that it uses to purge toxins from the body. These are behind the knees, behind the ears, the groin area, and the armpits. The toxins are purged from the body in the form of perspiration, and antiperspirant as clearly suggests preventing you from perspiring. These toxins do not just disappear. Instead, the body deposits them in the lymph nodes below the arms, since it is unable to sweat them out. A concentration of toxins then builds up in the areas such as the armpits, which can then lead to cell mutations, which is cancer. It cannot be ignored that nearly all breast cancer tumors occur in the upper outer quadrant of the breast area, and this is where the lymph nodes are located. Men are less likely to develop breast cancer prompted by the use of antiperspirants, because the antiperspirant is likely to be caught in the armpit hair, rather than directly applied to the skin. But ladies who shave their armpits increase the risk by causing imperceptible nicks in the skin, which allow the chemicals to enter easily into the body through the armpits. Please be aware that there are a few antiperspirants on the market that are made from natural products, but basically they would still trap the toxins in the same areas. The best solution is to use deodorants rather than antiperspirants. Also, please remember that the 8 essential sugars in glyconutrients can also help to fight off toxins. I hope you have learned this video on how antiperspirants can cause breast cancer. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. In this video I'm going to discuss to you on how to take care of our vision. We perceive the world through our senses. But it is only through the eyes that we see the world. The sense of hearing and touching may enable us to picture things, but nothing compares to what the eyes can perceive. Our sense of sight is so important, so much so that imagination can only begin to take shape through them. The picture that the sense of hearing can paint to us is relative to the imagination of what the sense of sight has seen. It would be very difficult to demonstrate beauty if one has never seen color or figures in harmony. It takes the experience of sight to begin with. Our eyes, being a very sensitive organ, must always be given much attention. Nature has its ways of caring for the eyes. It blinks to refresh our eyes every now and then. It also has its way of taking in light. It dilates when it requires more light for it to see. And it contracts when it receives too much light. But should circumstances present it as unsafe, it also shuts out as a natural reaction to pain or as a defensive mechanism to protect it. But it is not as always that our eyes can protect themselves. That is why our duty of caring for it is called upon. You just can't leave your eyes exposed to the hazards of getting it blinded under the long exposure of the sun. Sunglasses have been made for that. Viewing the beauty under the water is only possible with open eyes. To enjoy it, water goggles are there. Whenever our eyes are out against the elements of nature, there are specific protective gadgets worn to keep it safe. There are lots of things that your eyes can offer you: enjoyment, learning, more fulfillment in life and others. But you can enjoy more of what your eyes can give you if you continue to care for it always. I hope you have learned in this video on how to take care of our vision. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.
In this video I am going to discuss about Atkins for dieting. Most people around the world by now have heard of the Atkins diet. It has been one of the most highly touted and highly controversial diets of our time. Those who love it have nothing but great things to say about it, but those who are critical are not shy about their opposition either. The largest criticism when it comes to the Atkins, or low-carb diet, would be the near absence of whole grains, which are considered the cornerstone to a healthy diet by many. Dieting with the Atkins diet involved eliminating a large degree of carbohydrates from your diet. In the past there hasn't been as much of an emphasis on fitness and exercise with the Atkins diet as there seems to be currently. This is good news, however, as an active fitness regime is as essential to successful weight loss as cutting calories, and in this case cutting carbohydrates. You should take great caution that you are getting accurate information when it comes to Atkins dieting if this is something you are considering in order to meet your fitness and weight loss needs. First of all, weight loss is the direct result of burning more calories than you consume. It doesn't matter how many or how few carbs you enjoy or deny yourself during the day if at the end of the day you've consumed a few thousand calories too many. The notion that you can eat anything you want during the day as long as there are no carbs is simply incorrect. Calories still put on the pounds whether you are using the Atkins plan for weight loss or not. That being said, there are some interesting insights in this diet, and a good man of the foods that are eliminated are those that have the most complex sugars for the body to dispose of. For this reason there are many who have followed the honest-to-goodness plan to tremendous results. I hope you have enjoyed this video on Atkins for dieting. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And I'm sure you are going to enjoy our next Health Prime Remedies videos. Thanks for watching.